Today we're going to run through how to perform a squat for someone who's a ultra beginner. So this is partial range of motion, building all the way into a full squat. Start by finding a box height that you can sit to that is completely pain-free. You'll set up on the edge of the box so that way your toes are barely tipped out. You can break with the hips and sit straight down to the edge of the box. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 15 repetitions, and if you can get to 15 reps on whatever box height you are at, you'll want to try and progress by lowering the box height. You'll want to ensure your kneecaps are pointed between your second and fourth toes, so it's going to look like your knees are barely pushing to the outsides. Once you get to 15 reps, reduce your box height and repeat this process. So build to 15 reps, reduce your box height, build to 15 reps, and repeat. Keep lowering your box height until you are getting your hips almost all the way down to your heels with a flat back, and then you could add a dumbbell to make this exercise more difficult. The lower you get, you might have to elevate your heels just to make sure you have good ground contact with your feet. If you really want to improve your squat and ability to get lower and lower, focus on mobility and repeating these squats multiple times a week, so 2 to 4 times a week, and that's really how you develop this skill.